Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This video, we are going to discuss about RAC traffic prediction in massive mission type communications. Abbreviated of RAC is Random Access Channel. Then we are discussed about abstract of our project. The main objective of the project is to predict the attack which is occurred in random access channel by using different machine learning and deep learning models. Massive mission type communication is a serious congestion issue due to random access channel overload. It is essential to avoid collisions and improve the access efficiency with the help of different classification algorithms. So, in traditional models struggle with dynamic and large scale device behaviors. Our proposed implements machine learning and deep learning models to forecast RAC traffic patterns. The models such as XGBoost and hybrid of logistic regression and gradient boosting and deep learning model as LSTM are evaluated. The main goal is to enhance the access prediction accuracy under dense network conditions. LSTM and hybrid models showed high prediction accuracy with lower loss in complex in the scenarios. The solution aids network to operators in optimizing the rack scheduling and its resource allocations. Mainly, it contributes to scalable and improve the efficiency and access control in future 5G or 6G networks. This is the overview of our project. This is the workflow of our project. First, we have collected our data set. Data set name is RAC traffic data set collected from Kaggle. The dataset format is CSV file. Here we can read our input data and that after that is carry out to preliminary process. Here system can check any missing values is present or not and performing label encoding. Handling missing values means in our data set contains any missing or non values, we need to check. So after that, in label encoding, we need to convert the string into integer value for machine readable format. So the preprocessed data is carried out to data slicing model. Here we can split the whole data into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for train or evaluate the model. Majority of the data is present in training part and smaller portion of the data is present in testing part. After data splitting is carried to classification. So after that classification, we are implemented XGBoost, hybrid and LSTM model. With the help of these algorithms only, we can classify our input data is attack or not attack. So after classification is carried out to performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate. Accuracy means it is overall prediction and error rate is a misclassification rate. With with the help of that classification, system can predict either it is attack or non-attack. If it is attack, system send email notification as well as alert message and recommend some precautions. This is the workflow of our project. Then this is the output of our project. First, the home page. We need to analyze the RAC attack. If user is new, user should register the page. Enter the username, password, confirm password, and email ID and phone number. So registered. So user registered successfully. The registered data will be stored in database SQLite. After registration, you can click login. If user is already registered, directly go to login page. Okay, now you can enter the registered username and password. Both is valid, automatically redirect to that next page. Okay, this is the home page, model training and traffic prediction. Already explained, right, in workflow. So this is a model training page. Yes. So first model is data set. We can load your data set. So here you can load our input data. Just I'm loading and display some sample of data set here. And the next module is pre-processing. In pre-processing, handling missing values and label encoding. So I am clicking a pre-processing step. So checking missing values. So these are the columns is present in our data set, and 0 indicates there is a no missing values in our data set. So in label encoding, what are the strings is present in our data set, automatically it will converted into integer value. So it's result for before and it is for after performing label encoding. And the next thing, data splitting, split, test and train. So here data splitting, this is the total number of data and training data and testing data. Already told general majority of the data present in training and smaller portion of the data present in testing. And after that classification, SGBoost, hybrid and LSTM model. So now you can click SGBoost model. So we can got 85% accuracy. This is the result for SGBoost and hybrid classification. It is a result for hybrid models. So it's a proposed algorithm. When compared with the existing, it give a more result. An LSTM model, so 87.3. So this is the result for accuracy and error rate, all these things. And finally, prediction, attack or non-attack. So after that comparison graphs, this is the comparison graphs for three models. So after this, you can click traffic prediction. So here only we can predict the results. I'm entering the user ID and signal length, SNR values, number of transmissions, number of attempts access, enter delay, frequency offset, location ID, choose device type, laptop. So click predict. So identified rack attack. So this is that recommendations I mentioned here, recommendation and email notifications. So this is that prevention results. So finally email sent successfully. It is that alert notification. So successfully you can able to see that mail also. That is that alert message. It will be sent. Thank you.